Alright, so I thought I'd do a short video on how to change your cabin filter in your C6 Corvette. This is really simple. Anybody can do this at home. Here's the filter that I purchased. Picked this up at the local auto parts store. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop your hood. That's where the cabin filter is. Right, so you can access where the cabin filter is right behind where the battery sits. So you see there's some tabs here. As you do is you push these up, these little metal tabs, and then this pulls right out, and that's where your cabin filter sits. You just slide that out. Like so. Open this one. Alright, so I have the new one ready to go in. It's marked in the direction of the airflow. And when I remove the old filter, the arrows were pointing down. So this I'm going to install like so. Just hope whoever installed the previous air filter did it in the right direction, because I'm doing this one the same way. Alright, I'm going to need two hands for this. Alright, so I have the new one in place. I'm going to replace the cover. These tabs are in the way. Make sure these tabs are up. There we go. Tabs back down. And that's it. All done. Very simple. Anybody could do this at home.